Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have never written a single line of code before, this video is for you. In the next 10 minutes, you will write your first Python program. Today we are starting from zero, and by the end of this video, you will understand what programming is, what Python is, what it is so popular, and you will write your first line of code. So let's begin. My first question is, what is a programming? So programming is simply giving instructions to a computer, just like you give instructions to a person. Let's say, for example, turn on the light, open the door, send an email. So in the same way, we give instructions to the computers. But computers don't understand English. They understand programming languages. And Python is one of those languages. So what exactly is a Python? Python is a programming language that is simple, readable, and powerful, which is used worldwide. Python is used for web development, artificial intelligence, automation, data analysis, app development, and so on. Big companies are using Python, including Google, Instagram, Netflix, and many more. But why? Because Python is easy to write and very powerful. Now, let's write your first Python code. So, open your code editor and type this print hello world. Then run it. If you want a separate video onto the IDE, that is the editor and its type, how to use, which are the different editors and so on, simply comment IDE. I will give a separate video onto the IDE. Now let's open the IDE. So I am using here the PyCharm. So I have created one project. In this project, now I am going to create one file. So just right click onto the project name and create a new file. So new Python file. Just give the file name. Let's say day 1. I'm giving the day 1. So this will open your file and simply type here print. Let's say welcome here and run this. So to run, you have the button here. So just click onto the run button and the output will be displayed here. Welcome here. That's it. Now you have run your first program. If you are using terminal, so simply open the terminal and write the print hello world. Now let's say I am using a terminal. So this is my terminal where my Python is installed. To enter into the Python editor, you need to write here the Python. So it will enter into the Python editor. Now you can type here. So let's say I am writing print welcome here and parenthesis close, enter. Now you are getting the output here, welcome here. So that's it. If you are using edit terminal for execution of your Python program, so simply open the Python. With the command Python, it will enter into the prompt and give the instruction print welcome here. It will print here. If you are using editor, go with the ID. So you just told the computer to print something on the screen. That is a programming. So let's understand this line print. So what is print? The print is a function. What is a function? A function is something that performs an action. And inside parenthesis, we wrote a text. So that text is called as a string. Strings are a text inside the quotation marks like this, whatever we have written. So we have a written here, let's say hello world. So this is a string which is displayed onto the screen with the function print. That's it. So print is function, string is text inside the course, and Python executes instructions step by step. So today we learned the programming, which is the instructions given to the computer. Python is a programming language and you wrote your first code. That's it for today. So tomorrow we talk about the variables. Subscribe if you are serious about learning Python properly. Thanks for watching. If this helped, just like the video and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the day 2. And comment below what do you want to build with the Python. See you in day 2. Thank you.